Hi, this is Eric Maha. Today's all about managing the finer details of who can access what in your internal wiki. You've got special documents in your workspace that you're not quite ready to share with the team. Now you can give them special user permissions. Check it out. Okay, here I am in my workspace documents. I'm working on my initiatives for the next half. You can still see they're still very much in draft right there. So I'm not ready to share them out with the broader team, but I do have some folks I want to collaborate with on this because it definitely takes a village. So let's click over here on the share menu. Now you can see every document in my workspace gets the default workspace permissions because that's what the word default means. I can change it, however, on an individual basis. And now this is invisible for everyone but Elliot and I. It doesn't even show up in the sidebar there. I can add a couple more users in here if I want to. Let's get Amy and Bonnie's input. And then I can change permissions on individual level as well. Now we can get cracking. Once we're done, we can open this document back up to the broader team with those user permissions. That is it. We can bring more information into our product wiki and get real granular with user permissions where we need them. Enjoy.